In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in the Sendwave app. Whether you're new to money transfer apps or just specifically interested in using Sendwave, this tutorial will guide you through every step of setting up your account with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by ensuring that you have the Sendwave app downloaded and installed on your device, whether it's your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is ready to go, open it up. Upon launching the Sendwave app, you'll be greeted with the home page where you can see a variety of options. To get started with creating your account, look for the fields where you can provide your personal information. Here, you'll need to enter your full name, email address, and phone number. Be sure to double check that you've entered your details correctly since they will be crucial for communications and verifications. Once your information is correctly entered, you'll also see an option to select your country. This step ensures that the app tailors certain features like currency and offers specifically for users in your region. After you've chosen your country, you can proceed to click on the sign up button. By doing so, you signal that you've completed the initial setup information. Next, you'll be required to verify the phone number you entered. This is an important step to secure your account and ensure that you are indeed the owner of the number. Typically, the app will send a verification code via SMS to your number. Check your messages, find this code, and enter it into the app to move forward. After phone number verification, it's time to enhance your account security by creating a unique PIN. This PIN will serve as an additional layer of protection, securing your transactions. Choose a PIN that you can easily remember but isn't easy for others to guess. Once you've set the PIN, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again, so make sure you input the same sequence to avoid any mismatch. Finally, once you've successfully re-entered your PIN, you'll receive a confirmation indicating that your account has been created. Congratulations, you've now set up your Sendwave account and can start exploring the app. With your account ready, you're equipped to begin conveniently sending and receiving funds across borders. I hope this tutorial has made the account creation process smooth and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance. Happy transferring!